Introduction to common issues with DigitalOcean Droplet backups. DigitalOcean Droplet backups are an essential feature for ensuring data safety and business continuity in case of unexpected events or errors. However, users often encounter several common issues that can compromise the integrity and effectiveness of these backups. This guide will walk you through the most prevalent problems and provide practical solutions to help you overcome them. Understanding DigitalOcean Droplet backups. Before diving into the issues, it is crucial to understand how DigitalOcean Droplet backups work. DigitalOcean offers automatic and manual backup options, which create a snapshot of your droplet at a given time. These backups are stored separately from your droplet and can be used to restore your data in case of a disaster. Common issues with DigitalOcean Droplet backups. One of the most common issues with DigitalOcean Droplet backups is incomplete or failed backups. This can occur due to insufficient storage space, network connectivity issues, or problems with the backup process itself. To resolve this, ensure that you have enough storage space allocated for your backups and check your network connection for any stability issues. Another issue is backup size and retention. DigitalOcean backups are charged based on the size of the backup, and retaining too many backups can lead to significant costs. It is essential to implement a backup retention policy that balances data safety with cost considerations. You can set up a schedule to automatically delete older backups and keep only the necessary ones. Best practices for DigitalOcean Droplet backups. To avoid common issues and ensure the effectiveness of your DigitalOcean Droplet backups, follow these best practices. First, regularly monitor your backup status to catch any issues early. Second, test your backups periodically to ensure they are complete and can be restored successfully. Third, implement a robust backup retention policy that meets your business needs and budget. Conclusion. DigitalOcean Droplet backups are a critical component of any cloud infrastructure, but they can be prone to common issues that compromise their effectiveness. By understanding how DigitalOcean Droplet backups work, being aware of the potential issues, and following best practices, you can ensure the integrity and reliability of your backups. This will give you peace of mind and help you recover quickly in case of any unexpected events or errors.